Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I just cannot control my curiosity of libraries. Here I am at Las Vegas, and I come to see the local library, Clark County Library. Let's go to take a look inside. And on this side is the university. How fitting. And there is International Gaming Institute. How fitting, right? So here is the county library. I think this is the main library. And in my place in California, is that a California state thing or a federal thing? Today is Indigenous Peoples' Day, so the library does not open in California. Here, it seems it opens as usual. Some say Columbus Day or Indigenous Peoples' Day. Okay, now we walk in, and the library is quite quiet, so I just do not feel it's good to make a video there to talk. So I just took some video, and here now I am doing the voice over. So this library is very spacious. As you can see, it's clean, and so as you can see, the library is very well arranged, and each section has its place, and the entrance area is there is a CCTV, the controlling TV. I can see myself, and an exhibition. It's very roomy. I was thinking if there are some counters, some exhibition box or cabinet, will make this place a little bit more, how do I say, more warm, more cozy. Do I make any sense? It feels a little bit too empty. And also, every time I go to a city, I visit their library. As much as possible, I visit the library. And I start to have an impression, have a feeling, or have my own judgment of the library. And library has character, don't you think so? Some libraries are rigid, gracious, solemn, and strict, principled, well organized. You can feel the librarian's character, the master librarian's character, personality, and special. You can just almost the character of that particular overall character of this person is a personification or personalization of the librarian, the main librarian. And you go to different departments, you can see different librarians, and they are in charge of different sections: the children's section, the romantic book section, the adult section, the science section, the map section, and music section and video section. All these each has their own character, although there is an overall character, but also you can see their individual character. And for some reason, for this one, I feel it's just very, very, very empty is not the word. Very, very organized. Very organized. There are a lot of activities on the side. You can see the posters. These are the different reading group, dance group, movie group, special interest group, knitting group, some crafty activity group, music group, which is quite interesting, but it feels that do I make any sense? I just feel this place feel a little bit distanced. Do I make any sense? I like the organization, and I find home in libraries, and it's like visiting a new place. It is visiting a new place, but a little bit more than visiting a place. You are visiting, you are seeing the personality of the librarian, of the county, of the city, of the place spirit. Does this make any sense? I have been to different libraries, and some very small, teeny tiny library. There is a very comfortable home feeling, and there are big, huge libraries. There are these also. Some can also, even huge, big, they are able to provide that feeling. And I just find it's interesting to see. And also, as I browse through the book, I kind of see the local interest. And when you see how they arrange the book and what they put on, you kind of get a glimpse, a sneak peek of the city, of the people, of the residents there. Does this speak anything? Which is actually true. Library is a public facility, is for the people, and the librarians must get ideas from the people and arrange things to meet the people's need, right? It's a reflection of the social, economical, and spiritual welfare life of that place. And it's just very, very interesting to see. So I kept on browsing the books and looking around. I'm sorry, this video is so no content, it's so shallow. I am sorry for that. I actually read some book because I do have some times to kill. half an hour or something. Yeah, when you travel, you spend half an hour in a library. That is a very long time. So I stayed there. I checked the book. What else did I do? I made a video, edit a video on my phone because there is internet, and uploaded my video, read some book, and took a break. And I think once my video uploaded, I left. This book is Parenting with Accent. It's about the immigration families. And this, the country is actually an immigration country. And this is part of life. And some other important or famous or established personnels. Yeah, that's it. Work won't love you back. I found this title is really very, very punchline, very grab attention. Yeah. And on the pathway, this is a really big library. There are individual children's section, teenagers section, and adult section, and they are huge. And there is a theater, there is a big corridor, and there are exhibitions on the corridors about different kind of topics. And this is a reading room, usually magazine and reading room. So I was just browsing through some books, and I have just drove by the Death Valley, so very, very, very interested in California geology, landscape, and history. This is a wonderful book, wonderful book. They have a lot of book pictures. This is the children's section, and I just feel even the children's section is a little bit too well organized. Don't you think so? And I remember in some other places, the children's section, they make it into a playground with toboggan, with slide, and for children to play. Maybe this is Monday morning, not so many people, not the right time. So it's a little bit too quiet in the children's section. Anyway, that's Clark County Library in Las Vegas, in downtown. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye, bye.